Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate broadcast. You are watching the Hacker Show. In this section, I'm going to teach you how to identify a vulnerability using BurpSuite. I'm talking about React to Shell. It means how to scan for CVEs related vulnerability. So I'm going to teach you how to identify that vulnerability with the help of the BurpSuite professionals. So let's get started. So I'm starting the Burp professional version. You can check it here, and here is my server which I'm going to test. This is exactly React front end. In the Chrome, okay, you automatically execute one click exploit. That exactly I have recorded the video. Link is available, okay, in the description. If you want to see one more method, okay, you can check that video, okay, which is there, okay, in the description, the link. So let me first close this part, okay, and you can see this Burp professional is working and running perfectly. I am waiting for other extension to load so I can test the application in a proper manner. I have a lot of extensions, so it will take a time to load. Okay. In the next section, what I will do is I'm basically going to disable some extensions, okay, to load faster the BurpSuite. So I guess the burp is loaded properly and I need a target to test. So again, you can see clearly the Foxy proxy is running, and I'm going to refresh this particular page, and exactly you will see under the target, right? You can see this is our target, right? So I want only this target to scan, so I can simple right click and add to the scope. So you can simple click here, add to the scope. We'll click in the middle of the section. Show only in scope item, apply and close. So now you can see clearly we have one target there, right? Now next what we can do here is you can simply go to the extension and go to the B app store, and you download one extension called helper. Okay, this is called helper, extensibility helper. You can simply install, okay, from here. Okay, I already installed. Once installed, you will see the extensibility helper burp extension, and you can see all the details like CV related information available here. And suppose if you go further Bambda store, we can see clearly we have a CVE 2025 that is 55182. That is basically the CVE we need for RCE, and you can see the score is 10.0. Now how to test, okay, for this, right? So I need to import, okay, from this option. So this button, okay, you can click, you can import it. Once you import it, I will come under the extension area and you will see under the Bambda library, okay, and you can see this is a Bambda, and here is basically the CVE. Okay, if you want you can create your own Bambda, okay, so that part, okay, I will teach, okay, in my Pentesting curriculum. Okay, so maybe if you are new to the website, you can simply navigate to the hackerassociate.com, and here we have a program, okay, courses AWPT, Advanced Web Application Security Expert, Advanced Application Penetration Testing. So follow this particular module. We are covering more than 103 plus module, and we also have a AI program, hack using AI. So all the links and everything available, okay, under the description. Please look into this. Now coming to the topic, you can see clearly this is the CVE. I'm going to scan. We know our target right here. Next part is I can right click and click here scan, and once you can see the window open, we can select this option, crawl and audit. You can simply go to the next area. I want to select lightweight. I don't want to scan all this. Simple deselect and use a custom scan and look for the CV, right? Exactly we want to scan, and go to the next area and again scan. And once the scan is going to finish, you will see the vulnerability, or we can say the alert will come under these areas. If I go to the dashboard area, okay, you can see scan not started. Is going to start, okay, in a few minutes, and once you're going to finish, you will see the alert under the target tab. Okay, so you can see clearly we got the alert and this is vulnerable, right? If you go to the target area, you can see clearly we successfully identify a vulnerability regarding this, okay, React to Shell. and now you want to exploit it. In previous section also I basically mentioned you how to exploit it. We can use Python script using a burp. We can use Google Chrome RSC component, one click exploit, and many things we can do here. But in this particular section I want to teach you like how to identify a vulnerability or how to scan for vulnerability with the help of burp and using a Bambda library. That is exactly the motto of this particular video. Have a great day, and if you want to understand the live application pen testing, please go ahead and check this program, and don't forget to check the link in the description. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.